how to turn on or turn off media player live notifications in the now bar lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and ALD. From here, tap on now bar, then tap on the CO button. After that, we scroll down and then tap on media player. Tap on it to turn off or switch on the toggle button. When this is turned on, media player live notifications will be displayed in the now bar on the lock screen. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.